know that the VERA engine is able to bring data in and then pushes out results that can solve an infinite number of streaming data use cases. Essentially, it's supporting data all the way from source to sink. But what's actually happening within the VERA engine and within these three core pillars with that data?
So the first thing that happens when data comes into VERA is it is checkpointed and it is watermarked. Because the first thing you do is don't lose it. We don't want to have to take a risk when it comes to losing data, because when this stuff comes in, these are often things like, do we buy the stock? Do we let you through the ticket barrier? All these things are absolutely mission critical. So failure is just not an option.
So, what if I'm an online ticket seller and I have this opportunity with a famous, well known singer who wants to sell her tickets to her concerts on my site? What now?
And she might be quite popular, it turns out. And this is a problem because suddenly you have to go from 0 to 20 million screaming fans trying to book tickets for N events in about 5 seconds total. So the elasticity is the other part of it. First, lose none of those ticket requests. Secondly, elastically scale up to handle those. And thirdly, be able to give the analytics back so that they know when they actually need to start telling people, hey, we might be selling out or time to change to a lottery system, because these decisions need to be done fast. So this is where we kind of come in about what we've done inside VERA to make it better is elasticity, still having strong storage guarantees, tiered storage for both resiliency and for scalability, and the strong isolation of data, because when the fans in the EU start buying things, you're not allowed to share that data with the processing engine that might happen to be somewhere in the States. Not all that information is allowed to cross borders. So this is where the infinite little streams comes in, and we can shard the data, strip bits of PII out, keep that within certain teams who are allowed to see it, but then re-enrich things back to allow that the marketing team know where promotions are working.